Hey guys, it's Sunday, May 20th, 2018, approximately 9:30 in the morning, and, well, before we go any farther, there's my boy. He's stuck on this 40-foot tether. I haven't gotten to weed my pond yet, but see you now. I rototilled a couple weeks ago for the second time. By the time I got done planting, I didn't plant all of it. I got half planted. It was too dark to even try to video it. And I've been running around helping my neighbor out for the last couple weekends, or last week. And weather wasn't cooperating, but today I decided, since it's nice and early and I got up early, like at 6:30 in the morning, I'll come out and do this. And I know I got mow my yard, but got my flower bed planted. My garden planted. I got tomatoes down these 2 rows, peppers. I got ghost peppers back in there. Peppers, herbs. Watch out where I walk. More herbs. There's herbs all over here. I got cucumbers, watermelons in this area. And over here, I just planted corn. Yes, my garden needs weeded. I was weeding it as I was planting it, but didn't get it all. And you also got to fish for rocks, which ain't much. That's really about all I've done so far today. I've got other things on my mind to do. It just depends if the weather is going to cooperate or not. But at least I've got my garden planted. I got to water it now. And I might wait. I don't want to water it and the sun comes up and burns it. I'm just looking to see what else I've got to get done. I got a leak in my water line up to my garden, so I got to fix that. I know I've got other pieces and parts of that black tubing. The super glue and 2 clamps does a real nice job on fixing those leaks. I definitely got to clean out around my fire pit because I want to have a fire tonight. So this has got to be done. I'm sorry. Got to clean out around my fire pit so that it's easier to get to. And hopefully I get onto this today. Plus I got to mow my yard. Well, you know how that goes. Alrighty, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alrighty, still the same day. And now it's 9:50. I got the flower bed around the pond cleaned out. Just got to get to my push mower now, or break out a weed eater or hand trimmers and trim up the high grass around the outer edge. But it doesn't look too bad. Only took about 10 minutes. Now all I gotta do is clean the pond and rebuild my waterfall again. But I think I might hold off until I get the right pump. I know I gave you guys Rocster, but I'll give it to him again. There's my boy. I think he wants in to go get a drink. He's only been out as long as I have. About 20, 30 minutes. But he's tired, he's thirsty. Say hi, boy. All right, come on. You want to go in? Let's go in. Come on. Let's go in. In. Alrighty. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.